Hey everyone, welcome back to Virtual and Vitality. If you're new here, my name is Shireen, a homeschool mom of 4 boys who loves sharing all things homeschooling, lifestyle, and travel. So in today's video, I want to share a little of what we saw during our homeschool trip to the Houston Museum of Natural Science. We had such an amazing time exploring, and honestly, the video will do most of the talking, so sit back, enjoy the visuals, and come along with us for a peek inside this incredible museum. The museum sits right in the heart of Herman Park here in Houston. It's huge, full of exhibits that bring science, art, and history to life. Even after hours inside, we still didn't finish seeing everything, so we're already planning a return visit. From the dinosaurs to the hands-on science displays, every section has something that amazed us. The kids loved discovering how the earth works, how energy moves, and how history connects to what we study at home. So here's a quick tip for my fellow homeschool moms. The Houston Museum of Natural Science offers lab classes for homeschoolers. Each class is about $275 and allows up to 26 students per session. So if you know other homeschool families in your area, you could team up, split the cost, and make it an educational field trip together. It's a fun way to keep learning hands-on. Every trip like this reminds me why I love homeschooling, the freedom to travel, teach through experience, and make memories that stick. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to move out of the way, and I hope you continue to enjoy the visuals of our trip to the Houston Museum of Natural Science. You can read the full story and see more photos over on www.virtuevitality.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Until next time, keep exploring and keep teaching. And remember, travel, teach, and thrive.